When Russian tanks get immobilized on the battlefield, it's important they get completely destroyed, as it could otherwise be repaired and brought back to service. So Ukraine's drone army often sends drone dropping grenades, or in this case a FPV drone, making the immobilized and stationary tank easier for the operator to hit a weak spot, increasing the chance of the warhead penetrating into the ammunition as seen here, causing the tank to explode into hundreds of pieces, resulting in a reduction in Russia's tank force, which has been shrinking since the start of the conflict, continuing to shrink until there are no left for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.